So right here is all the connections to the spa. Continue our pipe run. And away we go. Pipe run, come up to a turn in the pipe run. Boom. And here we start picking up the underbelly of the pool. See all this shit. Turns, floor drains. Long pipe run. Long pipe run. And here we go, all the rest of the pool joining. Now we jump over here. Jump, boom. And we go straight. Here we pick up the wading pool. There's old Brando. There are all the connections for the wading pool. There. And the pipe run turns. And the mechanical room is going to be behind this concrete wall. Pool lines jump up over here and from there.